What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2015 Chrysler 200. Now, okay, let's give you a wide view. Now that's what the cabin filter looks like. So first thing you want to do, you want to come over to the passenger side, and underneath the glove box, center console, this right here, you're gonna just pull this trim off. I like to get a finger underneath and pull. You're gonna see you got the 3 clips right there that comes off, and then you go right there. This is the cover right here. What I like to do is I push down on this and pull the tab, and that comes right down. And that's the cabin filter. You can see how filthy that is right there. I like to get my finger in there and pull on out. Now that comes out that way. So you want to reinstall the same way it came out, which will be that way. Now, does this one have an arrow? Yes. So that has an arrow for which way this should be pointing. So that's going to be just like that. So you want to reinstall just how you took it out. I always put top in first. Get that bottom in. Oh, just like that. Just feed her on in there. And it's installed. So for the top, you just take the clip, and there you go. Put that cover back up there, and that's it. You can literally install a cabin filter in a 2015. That was filthy. In a 2015 Chrysler 200 in under 2 minutes. And that's it. That's the proper way to install a cabin filter on a 2015 Chrysler 200. If I helped you guys out, shoot me a thumbs up, man. Thank you.